Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a magnetic wallet. We're gonna check this out and see what it is. I don't have my phone, but I have my phone case that has a little magnet thing, so we're gonna give this a try. So let's see, we open this up, and if I can get it out of here, there we go, box empty. I don't know, it's stuck to a piece of cardboard. Let's check it out. So this is what it looks like here. Pretty cool. Got places for cards in there. A couple of bungee places. It opens up. Oh, I can put my license in there. Does it open up here to put money in? No, I guess not. I guess it just does folds, bifold. So you put that in there. You can put your card in there. Put some cards in there. And some stuff up in this side here. And then it folds up like that. And it'll fit onto the back of my phone case. And it holds. How cool is that? So I can keep some stuff on there and have my phone and my wallet all in one. Pretty convenient. I'm gonna start using this. So look at that, it's nice. And it looks like it'll fit probably, it's got a bungee here, so it'll fit a bunch of cards. I can put a stack of cards in there and there. And I like the way it has it where I can take it off easy and I can put my license in there and another card in here. So I'm gonna say this is really cool. Very nice. It's got a really good folding on it. I don't know, I guess it must, oh, it's got a hinge inside of it. That's why it's got like a real hinge. Very cool. Thumbs up.